Welcome to my channel. My name is Linda. Please like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you do a comment in the comment section below. I welcome all comments. Now, if you're interested in flower arranging, I do actually have a secondary channel that I do have some older videos of flower arrangements. I have the Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's on that channel. So if you're interested in that, it's called Linda's Flower Arrangements. The link will be in the description below, so you can check out that site too. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to be making off-the-grid french fries. You're going to need french fries and butter and off-the-grid setup. This is a little bit of a different setup than you're used to seeing. I still have the 9x13, my cooling rack, and my pan, and of course I got the lid for it. But you never seen a miniature cookie sheet underneath. This I'm trying because these wicks are shorter than the other ones. You can also use this setup for the candles that you used before. So let's get started. Now we're going to do french fries. Who doesn't like a good fry? Now, I know a lot of people don't know you can do fries off the grid. I actually did them on my charcoal grill before. I never did them in a fry pan. So it's something new I'm trying. Just like the burgers was something new I was trying. So now I'm going to melt my butter. Now I put the fries in. It's going to take them a while to cook. So I'm just putting them in here. We'll be turning them around from time to time. Just dumping them in and cooking them. Now I'm going to actually turn them over. Make sure they get cooked. They're getting soft, which is good. They might not be crispy, but they'll be done. There you go. Now all you keep doing is turn them. That way they're cooking evenly. And you can see that they are actually frying. They're almost done. This is what they look like after you finish cooking them. Now I'll show you how they look like plated up. I had to do something to go with the fries. You have to have a burger with the fries. It's in the link below. Please like, share, subscribe, and make sure you do a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.